Today we're going to be discussing Windows Task Manager users. Let's take a look at our drive board and get a refresh on this. So remember in the beginning of the course, we related a car to the processes that run on your system. And we also covered how that car or task manager would inform you of what users were logged in. Let's go ahead and take a look at that on our system. Right-click the taskbar and select Start Task Manager. And here in the Users tab, we see that I'm the only one logged in on this system. Now what we're going to do, we're going to simulate multiple people being logged on onto one system. Let's just say this is a home PC in a public area and the mom, husband, children all use the same computer. So let's simulate that. I'm going to go over to the Start button and I'm going to select Lock, not log off, lock. Now I'm going to switch user and I'm going to click on your brother. Let's just say this is your brother logging in. Put in his password and enter. Now your brother's logged on. Let's go ahead and lock that as well. Switch user. And we're going to log in to the default administrator account on your PC. The built-in administrator account. I'm going to log in with the password that I set and hit enter. Now I'm logged in as the administrator. I'm going to right-click the taskbar, select Start Task Manager, and go over to the Users tab. Now as you can see, this lets me know who's currently still logged into the system. Now their account may be locked, but their session here, their particular ID, is still active on the system, which means you can do certain things. Let's just say this is your brother's account. I'm going to right-click his account and hit Send Message. As you can see, it has the default administrator template. I will delete that and type from your dad. And I'm going to type clean your room and hit OK. Now that little chime that you heard was a confirmation that your message was sent to the individual. Let's go ahead and lock this system as the administrator account. Now let's switch back over to your brother's account. So he comes home from school, logs in, and there, as you can see, he logs in and see a message from his dad at the top to clean his room. Pretty cool, right? Let's see what else we can do. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to lock your brother account, switch user, head over to your administrator login, log in, and go back to the brother account. I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit log off. Now why would you want to log someone off and what's the dangers? Well, as we mentioned before, things like CPU utilization and memory and networking is shared by all users logged into this system. So let's just say your brother is logged in and he's watching YouTube, but he never actually closed the web browser. His account is just locked. So technically, behind the scenes, under his account, you'll see a lot of networking traffic, as well as maybe CPU and memory utilization. And you may experience a PC slowdown. That's one of the reasons why you may want to log another user off to free up those resources. Let's log him off. And he's gone. Now, you have to be careful about this, because let's just say he was watching YouTube to do a report for school, and he had Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Windows open to actually get work done. If he didn't save his information, he would have to start all over from scratch, and you would not be a good dad in that moment. Now, if we go back to the lab account and hit connect, and let's just say I know the lab password. Let's just say this is a generic account set up for everyone to log into the family. I'm going to hit the password to log in. Sorry. And hit OK. Now look at that. I just jumped over from my administrator account into the lab account in the blink of an eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this section. I will see you again in another course. Please leave reviews, emails, any questions you may have. Some of you may notice that I left certain things out of each section. Maybe show processes from our users, how to start a new task, things like that. Go ahead and share with anyone you may choose. That's fine. Like I said, I will see you guys in the next course.